Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Square point of sales how to create an invoice. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right off the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To create an invoice in Square point of sale, you'll use the invoice feature which is built on both Square POS app and Square Dashboard Online. To do it, simply head over and open up your Square POS app, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged in, simply tap on the more icon on the bottom right corner the screen, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply select the items option, and then now once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on all items. Then all you gotta do now is simply tap on create item, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is fill in the invoice details like customer name or email, or invoice title, or items or services added from catalog or custom, and invoice amount and due date. You can set it to do upon receipt or a specific date, or optional to add notes. Simply choose how to send from email to link, which to copy to save manually, and once all that's done, simply tap on send invoice on the bottom. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.